Welcome to English Entertainment Hub. Guess the 27 birds. Easy level. You have 3 options. Choose the correct one. Right answer is parrot. A, dove. B, pigeon. C, parrot. Answer is pigeon. A, crow. B, pigeon. C, eagle. Right answer is eagle. A, hen. B, dove. C, eagle. The answer is hen. A, pigeon. B, penguin. C, peacock. Correct one is penguin. A, pigeon. B, penguin. C, peacock. And the right answer is peacock. A, duck. B, robin. C, dove. Right answer is dove. A, hawk. B, owl. C, eagle. Answer is owl. A, hawk. B, crow. C, ostrich. Ostrich. Moving on the 10th picture. Crow. Medium level. A, owl. B, nightingale. C, pigeon. Nightingale. A, owl. B, robin. C, hawk. Right answer is hawk. A, sparrow. B, eagle. C, hawk. Sparrow. A, sparrow. B, pigeon. C, dove. Dove. A, hummingbird. B, peacock. C, nightingale. Hummingbird. A, rooster. B, dove. C, hen. A duck. B, dove. C, swan. Answer is swan. Hard level. A, eagle. B, robin. C, parrot. Right answer is robin. A, cuckoo. B, robin. C, parrot. Cuckoo. A, cuckoo. B, pheasant. C, peacock. It's pheasant. A, cuckoo. B, swallow. C, woodpecker. Woodpecker. A, blue jays. B, swallow. C, hawk. A, blue jay. B, swallow. C, toucan. It's toucan. A, blue jay. Bishop cardinal. C, toucan. Correct one is cardinal. A, blue jay. B, woodpecker. C, kingfisher. Right answer is kingfisher. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.